Here's a great tip to save you money whilst you're gardening. Don't throw away these sort of like containers and things, and we're all getting plenty of them, especially from these lot. Instead, soak them into water. And look at that. This here is going to make your own pots for growing your plants. You don't have to go out and buy horrible plastic ones. You can, in fact, make your own. And in fact, these papier-mâché pots, garden centres sell hundreds and thousands of these up and down. And they're really good because the roots can actually grow out of them. You can plant the pots in the ground and it rots down, but you can make your own. All you need is a little bit of wet cardboard, and I've been soaking this one for an hour or more because you want to get it right penetrated so it's totally saturated, and then just with a jam jar. I kid you not, it's that easy. It's marvellous to do with the kids as well. You then just wrap it around the outside of the jar like this and give it a squeeze. You can trim off the little extra bits around the outside. It's not got to look pretty. It is in fact something practical, and then cleverly just fold over the base, pleating it into position at the bottom, and as that dries that will set perfectly. There we are. Now the secret is once you've moulded it into position, leave it till it's semi-dry, and when it's semi-dry, just like this one here, it comes out really easy. But if you happen to leave it until it is absolutely bone dry, it is really difficult to get off. So it's that semi-dry section, and the pot then just glides in and out, and that's the secret. And all of a sudden you can make lots of different containers. You know, in fact, toilet rolls make pretty good containers as well. All you need to do is just rip 3 sections at the bottom of the container like that. Probably a lot easier to do it actually with a pair of scissors, and then fold the container in like that, and then it makes it a perfect plant. Great for things like carrots because they don't really like to be disturbed. And then when it's grown up a little bit and you've got a baby carrot, you can plant the whole thing into the ground, adding a little bit of extra protection and stopping the plant getting damaged as you transplant. Also, if you've got sort of containers like this came in with an old telly. Do you remember what I showed you a second ago? That's the pots and containers you buy in garden retailers. You can actually just pull off sections like this here, and they also make perfect little planters. It's all about recycling, making it good for the planet. It's also about using renewable materials like paper and cardboard rather than plastic. And it's saving you money at the same time, and it's better for your plants to grow. Give it a go.